go into the haunted castle. Not me! I want to go on the bumper cars!
Then let's do this. Lena will go to the haunted castle with Daddy, and I'll go on the bumper cars with Anna.
Okay, that'll work. We'll meet back here afterwards.
Okay, have fun.
2 tickets for the haunted castle, please.
That one there's free.
Hop in then. You have to put your foot on the accelerator and steer, of course.
Oh, it's not as easy as I thought, but it's still fun.
Tickets, please. Thanks. Have fun.
That guy looks totally creepy.
Yeah, but don't be scared. It was just a costume. And everything in the haunted castle is for show. None of it's real.
I know. Wow! Where's the train? A vampire!
Welcome to the haunted castle. The train will be here soon. Ah, a cellar!
Mice! Ah!
Ooh, finally someone set me free! I was stuck in that crummy bottle for 300 years. But now the castle is mine again!
Oh no! A genie!
Look out! Over there! Ah!
Ah! Ew! The wall's opening up! Ah!
You have to get off here. You can only reach the treasure chamber by foot.
What? We have to keep going by foot?
Yep, looks like it. This way. But we better go slowly and watch our step. Oh, here's a door.
No, Daddy! You open the door. I'm scared.
Ah, there really is a treasure chamber here. Come on, let's have a look around.
Oh, a treasure chest full of gold. Is it real?
Ha! I knew it! That gold belongs to me! You've just come to steal my gold!
Oh man! Daddy, I'm so scared!
Yeah, me too. But of course, that wasn't a real ghost.
Look! Our cart is down there!
Oh, good. Let's go get in it.
Oh no, Daddy! It was a trap! Oh, thank goodness the door is opening.
Ha! They really go all out. Ah, we're at the end now.
Yup.
We hope you enjoyed the ride.
Oh, yeah! But it's good to be back outside too. Where are Anna and Mummy? They were supposed to meet us here.
I'm sure they'll be here soon.
Boom! Ah, you gave me a heart attack! I've had enough rights for one day.
We hope you enjoyed our video. About 2 years ago, we made another clip about a ghost train. If you haven't seen that one yet, here's a link you can click on to go see it. Hope to see you again soon. Bye!